Guys, today I will be showing how to make heart freckles for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. You only require 2 ingredients. First thing we're gonna do is prepare the template and parchment paper in a flat surface. So I'm just sticking the parchment paper into the board that I'm going to use. This is just a chopping board, so I don't accidentally move the parchment paper. I will be using chocolate melts. This is 290 grams. Melt the chocolate in batches, so don't melt the chocolate all at once. So we need piping bag, chocolate, and sprinkles or hundreds and thousands. So I've melted the chocolate in the microwave for a minute using 30 seconds interval. Once it's all melted, we're gonna transfer this into a piping bag. Cut a small hole in the piping bag and then start piping the hearts. I'm using a template, but you can do this freehand. I just want the hearts to be the same size, or if you want it quicker and faster, you can melt the chocolate, spread the chocolate onto the parchment paper, then sprinkle the sprinkle or the hundreds and thousands. Then use a cookie cutter to cut the hearts, but with that you waste a lot of chocolate. So this is the best way to make the freckles, chocolate freckles. So pipe the hearts. And then to this, while the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle the hundreds and thousands or sprinkles. So clean the parchment paper and then start piping again. This time I'm going 2 rows before I sprinkle the hundreds and thousands. You only need to make 2 rows, not 3, because if you do 3 rows, then before adding the sprinkles, the chocolate will set and the hundreds and thousands will not stick. So do 2 rows at a time. I made 2 batch of these using 290 grams of milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate or you can use semi-sweet chocolate. I use the melt type, so I don't need to temper it. So all you need to do is to wait for this to set, and this is now ready. It's so easy. Once the chocolate is set, you can take it out of the parchment paper. And this is 290 grams of the milk chocolate, all shaped into hearts. This is our finished product. I hope you give this a try. You can also sell this. Give it to someone you love, or friends, teachers, relatives. And just a sample packaging if you want to package this to sell or to give it to your friends, teacher. You can weigh this if you like. So I printed this label. I got this from the internet, from Pinterest, I believe. If I can find the link again on where you can find it, I'll put it in the description box below. And here they are, all neatly packaged. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel. See you again next week. Bye!